Hi! In front of me is Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now just get started. Click on one of those options. I will go with Keep Recordings Offline and tap on this red button to start recording. Then select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by choosing the same red button. If you wish to delete it right away, you can choose delete over here, click on delete in the pop-up, and now it's gone. And if you wish to end it and save it, you can do that by stopping it and choosing save over here. But firstly, click on add title, name your recording however you wish to, and just save then. As you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, just click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select this bin icon at the top right corner and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!